Get ready with me in Dallas, Texas. मैं जा रही हूँ बाहर. लाइटिंग यहाँ पर इतनी अच्छी है नहीं, पर फिर भी मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम लुकिंग गुड. मैं रुकी हूँ होटल में. इट्स इंडिगो, होटल इंडिगो, एंड द ओनर ऑफ दिस होटल इज़ इंडियन. सो यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इवन द व्यू आउटसाइड माई होटल इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल, very beautiful. So this is the view from the window of my hotel. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Roads, then field, and the lake, obviously. And the little waterfall, it's so beautiful. This is the waterfall I was talking about. In this video, I will show you how I keep my skin tightening by doing facial massage. मुझे ना फेशियल मसाज करना बहुत पसंद है. आई लव फेशियल मसाज. यहाँ पर रिंग लाइट भी है. अपर लाइट, आई थिंक अपर लाइट नहीं चाहिए. I think this is good. मैंने फेस वॉश कर लिया है. आइस वाटर डिपिंग यहाँ पर मैं नहीं कर सकती because I'm staying outside in the hotel. For facial massage, you can use any moisturizer. I'm using Mamaearth. So I hold here and then इस हाथ से pull it up. 10 times. Then I do this and again. So this side is feeling lifted and the other side is not. So हम इस side भी करेंगे अभी. So थोड़ा सा और moisturizer. ये पोर्शन को हम ऐसे लेंगे, go here and then go down. So this is ten times. Now you do this. This is my favorite sunscreen. Now I am using Quench sunscreen with tint for glowing skin. I put dots all over my face with the sunscreen and then I rub it with my hands. हाथ से आप जब use करते हो, it gives you a great finish and it looks very glowing and hydrating. So even I apply under my eyes and above my eyes to look, so that dark circles na dikhe. And I don't have much dark circles because I sleep very well. Sona bahut important hota hai. Very, very important. If you need to have a good skin, please sleep for at least 8 hours, which is very mandatory. So I'm done with my skincare. Now I will quickly get ready and take you to a Dallas store. This is me all ready. And how am I looking? So I'm all set. I'm sitting next to the Lake Caroline. This is the lake and it is very beautiful, trust me. And it is just next to our hotel. It also have a beautiful bridge. I will show you the bridge as well. So here people are walking and me, I am enjoying the view and the lake. It's very beautiful. I can sit here like whole evening. It's so beautiful. So let me take you to the bridge. The bridge name is Lovelock Bridge in Las Colinos. And have you heard about the Lovelock of Seoul Tower, which is in Korea? So, which is a symbolic icon for the couples who comes there and put their, lock and throw the keys, or I don't know what do they do with the keys. So this is something like that. This bridge has so many locks from the couples. The names are engraved in it, and it's very beautiful part of Dallas, which I really loved it. Here we are going out for some kind of dinner which we had, and it was a very small trip. Like mostly we went there for business, like for work. So we had a small trip. We did not got chance to move around the city, but still we had a lot of fun. We had visited a lot of yeah, we have also visited the library. I have not shoot because it's not permitted to take videos in the library, but it was very beautiful. So this is the area of Las Colinos in Irving, where we had dinner, and then this is me enjoying Dallas. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more updates.